Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find all the screenshots on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Photos app. Then tap at Albums and scroll all the way down until you find screenshots. As you can see, I got 101 screenshots, and by tapping at screenshots, I can see them all without having to search for screenshots in the gallery. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.